Hey guys, this is Josh Tech here, and for today's video guys is I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to set the time of your Aolon watch curve. Let's go! Hey guys, this is Josh here. Welcome back to our channel. And yes guys, I have received an inquiry from one of our subscribers about how to set the time of our Aolon smartwatch curve. Alright? So we have here, it's already 10 here in our watch, but in the real time, it is still here, is still 6:54. So all we have to do, guys, is we're going to just go to settings, okay, and tap on about and tap app download. Okay, from there, we're going to just scan the QR code. All right, okay, here it goes, guys. And we're going to tap get the fit. This is the name of the application, the fit. Okay, so we're going to just open the fit and tap on allow, right? So agree. Okay, you can turn on the location services. All right, okay, allow while using the app, and we're going to turn on our Bluetooth. All right, okay, so it has detected now our Aolon Curve smartwatch. Just tap on that one and it says connecting, and it says pair. So can you see guys, in our watch it is already 6:55. It's the same with our smartphone. So it's just very easy guys. All you have to do is just connect your Aolon smartwatch curve to your smartphone by downloading the Fit application. It's just very easy guys. All right, so let me know in the comment section about your thoughts, and if you like this video guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing to our channel. Once again, this is Josh, and I will see you in our next video.